Hi everyone, today we're making donuts. This is the recipe. So the first thing I do is to prepare all my ingredients while they are all cool and warm because we're using yeast products. So I've mixed my salt, sugar and yeast all into my dry flour, and I'm using the spatula to mix everything up. Before adding the water, so after adding the water, I had to use my hand to mix it all together because now it's the time to do the rough work. Yes, so I have to knead it properly in the bowl before adding my melted butter. So I'll knead it properly with the butter so everything can be well incorporated before I take out the dough and put it on a floured surface on top of my work area. And I have to knead it and knead and knead and knead properly so that the donut can come out very fluffy. And now I have to flour the bowl and put in the already incorporated dough. Then I cover it with a cling wrap and I keep it in a warm place so it can rise and double in size. Here is my dough. It has risen and doubled in size. Now I have to cut out my parchment paper. You can use the parchment or baking paper. So I'll cut it into very small sizes just so we're going to put the donut on top of it so it won't lose its shape. So this is how I'm doing it. Here I have 6 of the papers, of course for 6 donuts. Then I punch it in and I will be kneading and cutting it out into smaller pieces before I roll it up into the round shape that will make the donut. So here it is, rolling it, and then I have to roll it further on the table. With my thumb and my pointer finger, and then I curve my hands on top of it just so it will form the perfect round shape. And there it is. These are my dough. I'll wait for it to rise before putting it into the hot oil, and then I put it on top of the paper towel just so it becomes very, very dry so it won't have too much oil. So this is the donut. I added some chocolate toppings and some sprinkles to just give it some nice texture and feel so the kids can love it. Thank you for watching.